Good morning, Kurt Clapier here with Teach Mom How. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys or tell you guys why I created Teach Mom How. So years ago, probably I was first married, so this was probably like 12 or 13 years ago. I would always have to teach my mom how to use technology. I'd have to teach her how to edit her photos. I'd have to teach her how to use her phone. I'd have to teach her all these things. And after explaining it to her multiple times, I decided, you know what, it would be better to just make a video that she can watch and she can pause it, and then she can do a little bit, and she can pause it and do a little bit more, and that's when Teach Mom How was born. At the time, YouTube wasn't very big, so the idea was a website called Teach Mom How, and I've launched various versions throughout the year of different websites teaching different, mainly technology, but eventually I want this channel to branch out into other how-to videos. So that's where Teach Mom How was born. It was just a way for me to create videos to teach my mom how to use technology. And eventually, after trying a few different websites, ended up just putting them all on YouTube. And it's just kind of grown naturally without over the last few years. So welcome to Teach Mom How. Go ahead and subscribe. This is where I create consistent, at least a few every week, of how-to videos. Mainly technology focused, but please leave comments and let me know what other things you guys would like to learn, what other how-to videos you'd like to have covered, and I will get those made. If I can't teach them myself, I'll have someone else teach them. So again, welcome to Teach Mom How. Come and learn. It's not just for moms, despite the name. It was just born out of me finding a need to teach my mom how to use technology. So welcome to Teach Mom How. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you get notified when there's new videos out. Have a great day.